Welcome back to another episode of the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking topic that's giving us new hope in the fight against Alzheimer's disease: gamma oscillations. These brain rhythms might just be the key to reviving cognition and memory.
Alzheimer's disease, as many of you know, is a heartbreaking condition that leads to cognitive decline and memory loss. But recent research is shining a light on how gamma oscillations, those brain waves that oscillate between 30 to 120 hertz, play a crucial role in our cognitive functions. And guess what? They found that these oscillations diminish in people with Alzheimer's, contributing to the cognitive deficits we see.
It's incredible how something so small, a brainwave, can have such a big impact. And the exciting part? Scientists are discovering ways to enhance these gamma oscillations, opening up new possibilities for treatment. One of the most promising developments is a small molecule called DDL-920. This compound is designed to boost gamma oscillations by acting on GABA-A receptors, which are crucial for brain function.
Imagine that. A single molecule could potentially improve memory performance in Alzheimer's patients. This research shows that DDL-920 not only enhances gamma oscillations, but also restores cognitive function in Alzheimer's model mice. It's a targeted approach that addresses the underlying neural circuits responsible for cognition, and it's offering real hope.
And it's not just about pharmacological approaches. There are also innovative non-invasive techniques being explored, like using rhythmic light flickering at gamma frequencies. This method has been shown to alleviate cognitive deficits by modulating neuroinflammatory responses. It's a holistic approach that's opening up new avenues for cognitive enhancement.
These approaches are really shaking up the field. We're seeing a shift from just managing symptoms to actually targeting the brain's underlying mechanisms. For instance, gamma oscillations are essential for organizing neural activity, ensuring effective communication across different brain regions. When these oscillations decline, so does our cognitive function.
Exactly. And what's fascinating is how DDL-920 works. It improves the tonic inhibition of specific interneurons in the brain, boosting the power of gamma oscillations. This leads to better memory performance in behavioral tests, like the Barnes maze, which is often used in Alzheimer's research.
The potential here is enormous. By combining pharmacological agents like DDL-920 with non-invasive techniques, we're looking at a multifaceted approach to enhancing cognition. And there's growing evidence that these methods could also help clear tau proteins in the brain, which are linked to Alzheimer's progression.
This is just the beginning. As we continue to explore the relationship between gamma oscillations and cognitive health, the potential for groundbreaking therapies becomes clearer. We're moving towards treatments that not only improve cognitive function, but might also slow down the progression of Alzheimer's disease.
And for our listeners who are interested in herbal remedies, it's important to remember that while gamma oscillations are a newer area of research, there are traditional herbs known to support brain health. For example, ginkgo biloba, Bacopa monnieri, and ashwagandha have been used for their cognitive-enhancing properties.
Absolutely, Alex. Ginkgo biloba, for instance, is one of the most well-known herbs when it comes to boosting cognitive function. It's been used for centuries, particularly in traditional Chinese medicine, to enhance memory and improve blood flow to the brain. The flavonoids and terpenoids in ginkgo are powerful antioxidants that help protect neurons from damage.
What's really interesting about ginkgo is how it might complement the modern treatments we've been discussing. While it may not directly influence gamma oscillations, its ability to improve cerebral blood flow could support overall brain health, making it a great ally in any cognitive enhancement regimen.
And then there's Bacopa monnieri, or Brahmi, as it's known in Ayurveda. This herb is truly a cognitive powerhouse. It's been shown to improve memory, attention, and even reduce anxiety. Bacopa's active compounds, called bacosides, help repair damaged neurons and promote new nerve growth, which is essential for maintaining cognitive function.
Bacopa is fascinating because it not only supports memory, but also has a calming effect, which can be incredibly beneficial for individuals with Alzheimer's who often experience anxiety and agitation. Plus, its potential modulation of neurotransmitters like GABA might indirectly support gamma oscillations, adding another layer of benefit.
Exactly. And speaking of GABA, we can't forget about ashwagandha. This adaptogen is known for its ability to reduce stress and enhance brain function. Ashwagandha has been shown to support neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself, which is crucial in the context of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's.
Ashwagandha is often called the king of herbs in Ayurveda for a reason. Its neuroprotective and anti-inflammatory properties make it a key player in maintaining brain health. It's particularly interesting because it's been suggested that ashwagandha has GABA mimetic activity, meaning it can enhance the effects of GABA in the brain. This could potentially support the modulation of gamma oscillations that we talked about earlier.
And let's not forget about curcuma longa, or turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's been widely studied for its potential benefits in neurodegenerative diseases. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to reduce amyloid plaques, which are a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease.
Turmeric is such a versatile herb. Its ability to modulate multiple signaling pathways involved in neuroinflammation and amyloid beta pathology makes it a powerful addition to any cognitive support strategy. And like you mentioned, Emma, its antioxidant properties help protect the brain from oxidative stress, which is a key factor in the progression of Alzheimer's.
Then we have Salvia officinalis, commonly known as sage. This herb has a long history of use for enhancing memory and cognitive function. Sage has been shown to inhibit acetylcholinesterase, the enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter important for learning and memory. By boosting acetylcholine levels, sage can help improve cognitive function, particularly in the early stages of Alzheimer's.
Sage is a bit of an unsung hero when it comes to cognitive health. It's often overlooked, but its ability to enhance neurotransmitter activity, including GABA and glutamate, makes it a valuable addition to our herbal toolkit. This dual action on both cholinergic and GABAergic systems could provide a broad spectrum of support for cognitive health.
Finally, there's Huperzia serrata, or club moss, which contains huperzine A. This compound is a potent acetylcholinesterase inhibitor, similar to sage, but with a stronger effect. Huperzine A has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function, making it a popular supplement for those looking to support brain health.
What's particularly exciting about Huperzia serrata is that it's been studied for its potential in improving cognitive function in Alzheimer's patients. Its ability to support cholinergic function complements the other herbs we've discussed, creating a well-rounded approach to cognitive support.
Together, these herbs create a powerful synergy, each bringing its own unique benefits to the table. When combined with the latest advancements in gamma oscillation research, they could offer a comprehensive strategy for supporting cognitive function in those with Alzheimer's disease.
And as always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen, especially if there are existing health conditions or medications involved. Personalized dosing and careful monitoring can make all the difference in achieving the best outcomes.
That's right, Alex. And for our listeners, remember that while these herbs can offer incredible support, they're just one part of a holistic approach to brain health. Lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, and cognitive training are also crucial components in maintaining cognitive function as we age.
This conversation has been so enlightening, Emma. The combination of ancient wisdom and modern science truly gives us hope for the future of Alzheimer's treatment.
It really does, Alex, and we're just scratching the surface. There's so much more to explore as we continue to blend the best of herbal remedies with cutting-edge research.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe and share with anyone who might benefit from this information.
And that wraps up today's episode of The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. We hope you found this discussion as fascinating as we did.
Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next episode.